Is Python better than JavaScript? What should I learn? This is a myth. X language is better than Y language, but there is no such thing at all. All programming languages have their own use cases and their own complexities. It depends on which specific industry do you want to work in and what kind of project do you want to work on. For example, Python is an excellent language to pick up since its syntax is really close to the English language, whereas C can be a rather difficult one to start with, but can be the best choice as most programming languages are implemented in C. Or if you want quick results with front-end development, JavaScript can be the preferred option. So like I mentioned in the beginning, it depends on your preferences. Most programming languages are equally useful today in the industry. You just need to get started with one. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and share your views in the comments below.